Got the other helmet on today. You know, the PACMAN one. A nice one. Hopefully the wind noise is better, less obtrusive. Oh, mother of Lordy Lucifer. Oh my god, it's so heavy right now. So I'm going to put the visor down and see how it goes there. My balls are being squished on the tank really bad. Wow, there's a lot less wind noise in here actually, come to think of it. So I think mic fluff is behind the cheek pad, I'm not sure, I'll have to check now when I'm not going over hills. No, it's currently out next to my mouth. It's definitely a lot less wind noise. Is that a KTM? Looks like a KTM. Quite nice actually. I'm gonna have to sort out this mic because it keeps flopping around and tapping the bloody thing. Bit annoying like. So I've literally become a courier. Fucking serious. Just didn't even fucking look. And I'll look back on that footage and I guarantee you didn't look. Word of advice, don't carry a really heavy bag unless you've got like straps. Because it affects your legs as well, not just your arms. Righty day. Apologies for the tapping and whatnot. It's I've got to find a location where I can fasten it. I thought I tightened it enough. I'll sort it out on the way back, so you'll probably see it in the next video that's sorted. I mean, it's not too bad at the minute, I guess. Tap 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 tap. Skibbity wop wop pop. Roller coaster. Woo! Just got a bit of poke in it, fair play. Well, there's no stopping but there, fucking prick. A good example of another bad driver. What's clicking? What's tapping down there? I hear tapping and popping. I'm gonna have to investigate. I thought I sorted it, but I was wrong. It's not. What's that noise? Oh, it's my fucking wiring. Oh man, I've got to move it around. Yeah, it's in the back. I'm gonna have to push it into the cheek pad. It's because there's about, I think there's about that much of a gap there. That's probably why. I just got that feeling. And that feeling paid off. Very observant though, fair play to him. Oh my god, I hit the red light. Whoa, 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 yeah. Hopefully this helmet's better than my other one. It seems to lock out the wind noise a bit better at higher speeds as well. We'll put it to the test, boy. If you like the video, click the like button, smash it like fucking crazy, throw a beautiful comment down below for me, it really helps me out, and most of all, subscribe, because I like to see the sub count higher. Love you guys.